Hello students, welcome to Dronacharya tutorial. Today I am back with a new interesting maths from JEE 2023. Our today's question is, if the coefficient of x to the power 7 in the expansion of ax minus 1 by bx square whole to the power 13 and the coefficient of x to the power minus 5 in the expansion of ax plus 1 by bx square whole to the power 13 are equal, then evaluate the value of a to the power 4, b to the power 4. Now let's get into the solution. We know that the r plus 1th term of the expansion of p plus q whole to the power n is ncr p to the power n minus r q to the power r. Now let r1 plus 1th term of the expansion ax minus 1 by bx square whole to the power 13 is the term with x to the power 7. Now the r1 plus 1th term equals to 13cr1 ax whole to the power 13 minus r1 minus 1 by bx square whole to the power r1, which should be equal to minus 1 whole to the power r1 13cr1 a to the power 13 minus r1 b to the divided by b to the power r1 x to the power 13 minus r1 divided by x to the power 2r1, and which will become minus 1 whole to the power r1 13cr1 a to the power 13 minus r1 divided by b to the power r1 and x to the power 13 minus 3r1. Now as this term is taken as the term with x to the power 7, so we can say that 13 minus 3r1 equals to 7, or after some simplifications we can say that r1 equals to 6 by 3, which is equals to 2. Therefore r1 equals to 2. Therefore the coefficient of x to the power 7 is minus 1 whole to the power 2 13c2 a to the power 13 minus 2 divided by b to the power 2, that is equals to 13c2 a to the power 11 divided by b square. Now similarly, if we take r2 plus 1th term of the expansion of ax plus 1 divided by bx square whole to the power 13 is the term with x to the power minus 5, then putting r2 instead of r1 in the previous calculation and taking 1 by bx square instead of minus 1 by bx square, we get r2 plus 1th term of the expansion is 13c r2 a to the power 13 minus r2 divided by b to the power r2 into x to the power 13 minus 3 r2. Now as this term is taken as the term with x to the power minus 5, we can say 13 minus 3 r2 equals to minus 5, and after some simplifications we get r2 equals to 6. Therefore the coefficient of x to the power minus 5 is 13c6 a to the power 13 minus 6 divided by b to the power 6, which should be equals to 13c6 a to the power 7 divided by b to the power 6. Now since it is given that the coefficient of x to the power 7 of the first expansion is equals to the coefficient of x to the power minus 5 of the second expansion, we can say 13c2 a to the power 11 divided by b square equals to 13c6 a to the power 7 divided by b to the power 6. Thereafter a few simplifications, we get a to the power 4 b to the power 4 equals to 8 into 9 into 10 into 11 divided by 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, and doing further simplifications we get a to the power 4 b to the power 4 equals to 22, and this will be the final answer.